Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of XRP Ripple. What is XRP Ripple? XRP, commonly referred to as Ripple, is a digital currency and payment protocol created by Ripple Labs. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, XRP was designed to facilitate fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions. Ripple's primary aim is to offer financial institutions a more efficient way to transfer money internationally, addressing the high costs and slow speeds associated with traditional banking systems. XRP functions within the Ripple network, which uses a consensus ledger and a unique consensus algorithm. This differs from the proof-of-work and proof-of-stake mechanisms used by other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The consensus algorithm ensures the integrity of transactions without the need for mining, leading to faster transaction times and lower energy consumption. Ripple Labs initially released 100 billion XRP tokens, with no more to be created. A significant portion of these tokens is held by Ripple Labs itself, which has been a point of controversy and regulatory scrutiny. Does XRP still have a future? The future of XRP is a topic of much debate and speculation within the cryptocurrency community. Despite facing regulatory challenges, particularly from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, XRP has managed to maintain its relevance and value. Several factors contribute to the potential future of XRP regulatory clarity. The ongoing legal battle with the SEC has created uncertainty. However, a favorable outcome could provide the regulatory clarity needed for broader adoption. Institutional adoption. XRP's use case for facilitating cross-border payments is compelling. Partnerships with major financial institutions like Santander and American Express highlight its utility and potential for widespread use. Technological advantages. XRP's fast transaction speeds and low fees are significant advantages over other cryptocurrencies. This technological edge makes it an attractive option for financial institutions and payment providers. Community support. The XRP community is robust and dedicated, which helps maintain interest and investment in the cryptocurrency. While challenges remain, the factors above suggest that XRP could still have a promising future, especially if it can navigate regulatory hurdles and continue to demonstrate its utility in the financial sector. What has happened to XRP today? As of today, XRP remains one of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Its price and market performance are subject to the same volatility seen across the broader crypto market. Specific developments that have impacted XRP recently include legal proceedings. The ongoing legal battle with the SEC has seen various developments, including court rulings and settlements. These legal outcomes significantly influence investor sentiment and XRP's market price. Market trends. XRP's price is influenced by overall market trends in the cryptocurrency space. Bullish trends across the market often see XRP rising in value, while bearish trends can lead to declines. Technological updates. Ripple Labs continues to develop and enhance the Ripple network. Recent updates or technological improvements can affect the performance and perception of XRP. Partnerships and integrations. New partnerships or integrations with financial institutions and payment providers can boost confidence and lead to price increases. For the latest specific events and their impact on XRP, it's essential to stay updated with news from credible financial and cryptocurrency news sources. What is the price prediction for XRP Ripple? Predicting the future price of any cryptocurrency is inherently speculative and uncertain, and XRP is no exception. Analysts and experts offer varying predictions based on technical analysis, market trends, and fundamental factors. Here are some perspectives. Short-term predictions. In the short term, XRP's price will likely continue to experience volatility. Some analysts predict that if the legal issues with the SEC resolve favorably, XRP could see a significant price increase. Conversely, negative outcomes could result in price drops. Long-term predictions. Long-term predictions are more optimistic, with some analysts suggesting that XRP could reach new all-time highs if it gains broader adoption and regulatory clarity. Predictions range widely, with some seeing potential prices of $5 to $10 in the next few years, while more bullish forecasts suggest even higher values. Factors influencing predictions. Several factors influence these predictions, including regulatory outcomes, technological developments, market adoption, and overall market conditions. It's crucial to approach these predictions with caution and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. How much XRP does the average person own? Determining the average amount of XRP owned by an individual is challenging due to the decentralized and private nature of cryptocurrency holdings. However, some insights can be gleaned from available distribution data. According to available distribution data, a small percentage of XRP holders own the majority of the supply. This skewed distribution means that many holders own relatively small amounts of XRP. Retail investors, or everyday individuals typically hold smaller amounts of XRP compared to institutional investors or whales, large holders. Estimates suggest that many retail investors hold anywhere from a few hundred to a few thousand XRP. Market data surveys and market data can provide a rough estimate of average holdings. For example, a survey might reveal that the average retail investor holds around 500 to 1,000 XRP, though this can vary widely. It's important to note that these figures are estimates and can vary based on market conditions, individual investment strategies, and other factors. Conclusion: XRP Ripple remains a significant player in the cryptocurrency market, known for its unique approach to facilitating cross-border payments. While it faces regulatory challenges and market volatility, its technological advantages and institutional partnerships suggest it still has potential for future growth. Price predictions for XRP vary widely, reflecting the speculative nature of the cryptocurrency market. Understanding these factors can help investors make informed decisions about holding or investing in XRP. As always, staying informed and conducting thorough research is crucial in navigating the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies.